Hi, welcome back. Hi everyone, welcome back. Thanks for coming back and thanks for staying tuned and thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you're new and you've not subscribed, I will appreciate it if you subscribe. Click the notification so that you don't miss a thing when I upload. Hey, welcome back. This is Mutiat Taiwa, aka Tai Tai. So you see me today looking all this with a wrap, with the boxes behind me. That's because this wrap is for the rice water. I did my hair, so I want to reveal it after the at the end of the video. And also this that you see behind me, it's my inventory, some of my inventory that just came in. I'm so excited. I will be sharing that. And then for today's video, it's gonna be all about rice water and then the giveaway. So without further ado, let's get into this video and then you'll see at the end of the video if actually the rice water, the Yao women method works better than the 24 hours, because I have my perspective about it. And then I'm gonna tell you what actually changed and what has not, and you're also gonna see it in the video. So yes, without further ado, let's get into this video. And then I'm so excited. When you get your rice, you could get a cup or half cup of rice. It doesn't matter what type of rice. The same way you wash the rice the first time to get the dirt out, then you drain the water after you wash it for the first time. And then add another lukewarm water, room temperature water, into the rice. So this, once you're washing this time, you wash it longer. So I understand that the Yao women wash their rice longer for like 10 minutes, but I choose to wash mine for like 5 minutes. So which is normal in my opinion. Content we need for this method is just the water, nothing more than the water. So now once I get the water out, I put it in a pot and then get a orange peel and add it to it. The Yao women usually use another form of citrus. So once I put the orange inside and I then put it on the stove. Once it's on the stove, I let it boil for about 10 minutes, then on a low heat. Then after that, I let it cool off and then put it in a jar. So I put the water and the orange peel in a jar. And then now it's in a jar with the orange peel. I then had lavender. The one I had is a lemon scent. So just to prevent the fermenting smell. I mean, I did this the moment after I had the first one. So I want to experiment both the 1 week and then, I mean, the overnight and then the 24 hours. So this is what I'm doing. I'm saving it for 3 weeks. So after 3 weeks, you can see the content of the rice. The rice, it looks like the rice content is settled at the bottom of the jar. So we have the water up and then the creamy content of the rice at the bottom. So now I'll take out the orange peel, took it out, and then put the water in a bottle and then want to start to spray it into my hair. But this time I'm not spraying the water into my hair. I'm dumping it into my hair just like the Yao women do, because as I see in their video, they always put their head down and then put the rice water over it. So that's what I'm doing. So that's their odd method I'm also doing. And then once I put it in, I cover the hair, I massage it into the hair and I cover it and then wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash it the regular way I wash my hair, and then that's it. And then I let it hair dry. So that method, I did it. Now I am going to tell you the result. I just want to show you the length at which the hair is at now. Yeah, so that's it. That's my hair now. So that is the method I did that, and I washed my hair. I kind of like waited for 3 weeks because I don't want to bombard you with videos that okay, that is not relevant, or maybe I did it, it's not working, and I just want to show something. Yeah, so I took my time, 3 weeks, because I soaked the rice for that long. 3 weeks after I did that, so I put it in my egg, and this is a couple of days after. So now we have the result, and then I'm going to show the result. But first, before I show that result, I'm also going to show you, because you've probably seen it in the video, the result, how it drew my edge, what has changed. So but before I show what's underneath this, I'm also going to tell you about the giveaways. So the giveaways is basically weaves. The last one I did, the giveaways I did, was about crochet. This time is about weave. So I'm going to be doing this girl for a long time, till like September, because that's my birthday. So I'm going to be doing that often. And plus, you can see there's a box behind me. That's some of my inventory, which I'm also going to reveal in my next upload, or probably the one after the next one. So yeah, I have a whole lot coming up. And also I'm going to be doing lace wig. I mean, it's been a while. Like I don't always like to glue my lace wig, but I want to try something new. I love to explore, so I'm going to do that. Also, I'm going to put like just for a few days, because I am growing my hair. I don't want to mess up my hair, because it's been like 13 plus years since I put a lace wig on, or maybe even more than that. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna I mean, once that upload is on, I'm gonna give you the whole details of that. For this giveaway, there's the instruction, the rules is in the description. Check it out. I'm gonna, whatever I'm missing is gonna be in the description. So let's go dive into that. So for the giveaways today, I have a lace front, which is straight 14 inches. I have that for one lucky subscriber. You have to be a subscriber to win all of my giveaways. So that's one, the straight 14 inches, and then I have the body waves of it too. So body wave of it 14 inches and straight 14 inches. And I also have 12 inches. So I'm giving out 12 inches, 14 inches body waves, and then the straight. Yes, those are the ones I'm giving away. And wait, that's not all. I'm giving another lucky subscriber a bundle. Yes, a bundle, a 10, a 14, and a 12. Yeah, a bundle. Wavy. Isn't that nice? Yes, you want to. Yeah, so that is that for the giveaway. So now, and the giveaway is gonna last till a month. I'm gonna put that also in the description. It's gonna last for a month. That's that. So let's do the rice water. I'm gonna review the rice water right now. I'm so like super excited. So let's review that. And also comment below, let me know if you actually want me to do a video on this wrap or any other thing. Comment below, and then subscribe, like, share. You never know, you could be the winner. So I'm gonna pick the winner random. So let's do the hair. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, that's it. I have a cornrow underneath, sorry. So yeah, but you see in the video that I have my hair. So one thing that has changed, you can see the length from the back. So that's it. That is my rice water review, and then the growth. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.